This is like the star of the dish. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the thumbnail, I'm going to be making basmati rice, and I'm just going to be chopping my veggies. You can use any vegetable that you have. Sometimes I use eggplant, any vegetable that you have. And I'm going to be chopping off this parsley mainly for garnishing. That's about it. Next, I'm going to be cutting my chicken into pieces. Guys, for this video, my mom wanted to really use whole chicken, but I wanted part of the chicken breast for the next video I was filming, the meat pie video and eat snacks. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss this video. This is like one of that video is going to be like one of the best videos on my channel. So anyway, I wanted that part, so I had to cut the chicken. When she saw it, she was like, why did you cut the chicken? It would have looked better as a whole, you know, all of that stuff. Anyway, wash your chicken and then marinate your chicken. So we used pepper soup spice, fish spice, guys. My mom used fish spice. She used it and it tasted really good. So any spice that you have, of course, you won't forget to add seasoning or Maggi to your chicken. You're going to fry your chicken for, let's say, 10 minutes or till it gets brown like this. Once that is done, let it look like this. I'm going to be showing you guys this spice, and this is like the star of your dish. I checked on Instagram and you can find this from Tea Spices on Instagram, Tea and Spices actually on Instagram, and this is like the star. So you're going to need these spices for this exact rice or something close to it. I'm just going to be dropping the black lemon. I'm going to be dropping cinnamon sticks, cardamom, bay leaves, cloves, turmeric, coriander, garlic. That's all I have inside this pot. So I'm going to be using this rice. This is the basmati rice. You can use any rice that you have, any long grain rice if you want it to look like this. And I'm going to be adding it into the water once it starts boiling. So this is how our rice is looking. It's boiling. I think the ratio of the rice and the water is 1 to 3. Yeah. So I'm going to be adding my chicken once the water has reduced, and then mix it up so it soaks all the spices and cover it again. The next time I'll be checking this would have soaked up more water, and then this is how it looks. So for my veggies, I added onions, scotch bonnet, I added garlic and all of that to it, and I'm just going to be adding that to my rice and then mix it nicely. Then cover it for like 5 minutes on low heat, depending on the level of water that you have. Really 3 to 5 minutes should be fine on very low heat so it cooks slowly. And this is what we have, guys. This is like the key. So I'm going to be packing this because I'm sending it out, and yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave my mom comments because she literally made this rice for you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.